You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
Pop filters. Don't you just hate these things? Isn't this like the bane of your existence in the booth? Pop filter. You're popping your peas, and you need a pop filter. So we got 4 of them here. We're going to shoot them all out. We're going to see which ones suck and which ones suck less. So let's start with the first one. This is a standard, cheapy, single screen nylon. This is way too big. Way too big. But let's see if it works, okay? So, hit first without. Please pay pretty ponies pretty pennies. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. Please pay pretty ponies pretty pennies. People poop at parties. All right. Not bad. Not bad for a cheapy one. Here we go. Next step up. Sorry. This is they're like it's too small to have all these in here. Double screen nylon, meaning one screen on each side, for those of you keeping track. This one, a little bit more sturdy, I think. Please pay pretty ponies pretty pennies. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. All right. Did that actually make a tonal difference? Was there like a little bit of comb filtering? We're going to have to go back and check these all again. Hold on. All right. Metal one. Got this one from NOS Audio. Look at that. And some people like the metal pop filters. They say that they're the most transparent. And, well, yeah, let's give it a shot. So, please pay pretty ponies pretty pennies. People poop at parties. All right. Not bad. And the Hakan Pop Killer. This is like $100. These are scientifically designed in some faraway land to be transparent and very good at killing pops. So, please pay pretty ponies pretty pennies. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. So, yeah. All right. What do you think so far? You know what we have to listen for? We have to listen for tonal variation. Tonal variation, right? Because if it's altering the tone of your voice, if you're getting weird comb filtering artifacts, that's no bueno, man. So, here we go. A little bit more. So I'm going to talk through it, and then I'm going to move it away, and I'm going to talk through it some more. So do you hear a difference without it as opposed to with it? Try not to hit anything with it. So, post-party peanuts promptly, pens, pencils, poppy seed, potato pie, park, puppies play Pokemon parkour. Is there a difference in the sound? Are you hearing anything weird? This is just way too big. So, anyway. This is stupid. All right, now, here we go. Double screen nylon again. Post-party peanuts promptly, pens, pencils, poppy seed, potato pie, park puppies play Pokemon parkour. Right? Is there a difference without it? Is there a difference with it? Do you hear something here? Do you hear something here? You know what? Hold on. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have to listen to it closely and edit to really figure this out. Okay, here we go. Metal one again. Hold on. Post-party peanuts promptly, pens, pencils, poppy seed, potato pie. Park puppies play Pokemon parkour. Right? Is there a difference with it or without it? With it? Without? You know what? I think I hear almost like a little bit of a metallic thing, right? Doesn't it seem like it's a little bit more? Doesn't it seem like there's like it's really almost like a hardness up there and up top, right? Am I wrong? I could be wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the show. Yeah, la 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 la. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. And the Hakan Pop Killer. The Hakan Pop Killer. There's a killer on the loose. Everyone be careful. Pop Killer. Killing your pops. And so so the sponge, right? This keeps falling out. The sponge is cool because, see how thick that is, right? And I don't know if you really call it a sponge. It's like if it's, I don't think this is absorbent. Well, the way they make it, so it's supposed to come out like this so that you can clean it. Because eventually, especially if you're really exuberant and full of spittle, this thing will become really damp and icky. And you'll want to wash it. They have washing instructions for it. And that way, you don't come back like to a session like 2 months down the road after you've owned this thing and spit into it for a long time and it smells like dried saliva or beer and feet, So, Hakan Pop Killer. Post-party peanuts promptly, pens, pencils, poppy seed, potato pie, park puppies play Pokemon parkour. All right, does it sound different? Does it sound different? It's supposed to sound transparent, right? So does it sound the same with? Does it sound the same without? All right, so you know what? I'm having too much fun doing this. Can't you tell? So I'm going to really pop the living crap out of this. I'm going to really pop it hard. People poop at parties. 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 Metal one. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. See, it's going. People poop at parties. This does not feel as effective as even this one. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. Pa 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 pa. Pa pa pa. All right. Falling all over the place. Stupid things. People poop at parties. People poop at parties. Pop 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 pop. Wow. All right. So, what do you think? Pop filters. Get yourself one or 4, because why not? All right. Which one did you like? What do you prefer? When you pop kill? When you're out on your pop killing spree? What do you use? What is your weapon of choice for your pop killing spree? Spree, not spray. And, of course, if you want to learn not to pop your peas, you can do that. You can pop all you want. All you got to do is, I have a video out. Go look for it. I show you how to not pop your peas. Pretty effective. You can prevent yourself from popping your peas. Or you can get pop filter. All right, so I'm going to shut up now. Ladies and gentlemen, pop filters. Tell me what you think. Until then, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.